Hello there, this is Manoj. I hope you're doing well. Before you start asking about the different parts of transformer and different uses of transformer, I thought we will do a small introduction as we will be working together as colleagues in our lab performing so many tests. We should know a little bit about each other. Don't you think so? I'll go first. To do so, I have my LinkedIn profile and I'll just take you through it so that you know it more about me. Here it is. I am currently working as a lead auditor at Tufnord. Academically, I possess an electrical engineering degree which I acquired in 2013. I further pursued post graduation in electrical system design, which I completed in 2014. Apart from these two electrical qualifications, I recently acquired an occupational safety and health qualification of level 6 from NABOSH. This year, I also acquired the lead auditor qualification for the ISO 9001 2015. To tell you more about my work experience, well, I started working right after my graduation in 2013. I got placed in a power distribution firm, Torrent Power Limited, and was posted there as a graduate engineer trainee. It was a very tough locality, and the area was of 721 square kilometer, and we had to distribute power to all the LT, HT commercial consumers. So it involved operation and maintenance of high voltage network, low voltage network, and the commercial aspect as well. So I spent almost 5 years in this firm. I left Torrent in 2018 and joined another power distribution firm, SND Limited, that is in Nagpur. I joined there on a management role. I had to manage quality management system, the safety management systems, and the environment management systems. So all the management skills of mine were put to use in this job. In 2019, I left Nagpur and then moved to a new firm, CESC Limited, another power distribution firm. Here, I had a very brief encounter for 3 months, and then recently in this year, Feb, I have joined Tufnord as a lead auditor for ISO 9001 2015. To sum it up, I started off as an electrical engineer and at the moment working as the auditor for certification body. I hope you know more about me now and you know me well so that we can perform the tests together with mutual trust. So that's me from my end. Now, if you want to introduce yourself, you can do so as well. You can connect with me on my LinkedIn. I have dropped my LinkedIn profile link. We will be in touch for this session, for this experiment. But if you want to stay in touch after that, then you can always do so. Just hit me up on my LinkedIn. I'll catch up with you. Talking business now. In the next video, I'll definitely speak on the transformer paths and the transformer uses. So don't worry, relax, just enjoy the discussions that we are going to have in coming time. Take care.